Bruno, the loyal sheepdog, watched over Meadowville's sheep for years. Bella, a curious ewe, asked questions about stars and wind. One evening, Bella asked Bruno about his nightly watch. Bruno assured her, "Keeping you safe is my job." A rustle in the woods that night caught Bruno's attention. "Stay close, Bella," Bruno whispered. A sly fox appeared from the bushes, eyes glowing. Bruno growled bravely, defending the flock. Bella ran to distract the circling fox.
Bella, no.
Bruno barked, chasing after her. Together, they scared the startled fox away. Bruno praised Bella's courage with pride. Bella smiled. "Well, I learned from the best." Bruno and Bella became partners, uniting bark and paw. They proved unity can conquer darkness.